Hello everyone and welcome to a new product review. Some time ago I reviewed the webcam from Amcrest and today we will look at another webcam from the same company. The product in question is the AWC195-B. How it performs and if it's a good idea to upgrade, coming up after the intro. The webcam comes in a similar box to the previous one with the same warning at the top. Just make sure that you read it and that you're aware of it. I feel that this box suffered a bit of an upgrade just because of the new compartment at the top when you open the box where the privacy cap is. Then we can find the webcam and the user manual. I must say that this is a product that I purchased from Amazon UK, but I will get a full refund from Amcrest once this review is uploaded. I am not paid to promote this product and I'm only reviewing it so I can give you an unbiased opinion. Now back to the review. I really like the privacy cover. It can be fitted and removed whenever you want and it just clicks in. Thanks to its stand, this webcam can easily be placed on top of a monitor or even on a laptop screen. You may want to make sure that it is properly fitted and it won't fall. This product has a tiltable head so you can adjust it as per your needs. If the screen or the monitor has tiny bezels, then you can fit the webcam on the desk or on a tripod. I think it looks really good on the desk. This webcam is packed with a 2 megapixel CMOS 1/3 image sensor. The other webcam has a sensor from Sony, but it doesn't say anything about this one. It has a 4.3mm wide-angle lens which gives a 90 degrees viewing angle, a built-in dual microphone and a 5 feet 9 inches USB 2 cable. It is compatible with macOS, Windows, Android, Skype, Zoom, WeChat and others. Although it has the Xbox logo as a working device when you go on Amazon at product description, this webcam doesn't work and doesn't connect with gaming consoles because the gaming consoles, they work based on Linux OS and the Amcrest webcams don't work with this operating system. This webcam is solid, quite small and light, but let's check the video and the audio quality. Right, this is the Amcrest AWC195-B image quality on my MacBook Pro and I record using OBS. Any minute you might hear the laptop's fan in the background, don't worry about that. The sound is straight from the built-in dual microphone and it is not edited, so this is how the other person hears you while you're on a conference call or streaming. I'm quite happy with the image offered at this price range. The lens is a 4.3mm wide angle which gives a 90 degrees viewing angle, 20 degrees more than the AWC205B webcam. And this webcam can record 60 frames per second. In terms of sound, let me know in the comment section below what do you think. The AWC205B had a terrible sound when connected to the MacBook, but the sound was alright when connected to a Windows device. Also, this webcam doesn't require any software or settings when connected to a Windows device, but this is not the case when connected to a macOS device. The webcam and the microphone need to be selected from the settings menu for them to work. Another thing that I've noticed is that on Windows devices I cannot change the microphone from the webcam to the headset. During conference calls I use a headset to better hear the other person that I'm talking to, and it is a shame that I can't use the microphone from that headset. This webcam has a 2 megapixel camera which doesn't catch too much details, but that is not needed when you use the webcam for gaming or for streaming in a small window. The quality is noticeable on a conference call where you use a bigger window for the image. The Amcrest AWC195-B costs £27.99, which I think it is a good price for what it offers. The link to this amazing product is in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so please use it if you're willing to get one because it will help the channel. This webcam is a bit better than the AWC205B that I reviewed some time ago, and I strongly recommend it if you want to get a decent camera, a decent webcam at an affordable price. We reached the end of this product review. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it and found it useful, and subscribe to be notified of other great product reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.